Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we're talking about how to earn money with your TikTok account. You've been asking yourself if TikTok pays. Yeah, TikTok pays. TikTok is an app where users can come, post videos, short videos of their choices, and then use any music they want to post. As you all may know, TikTok is one of the fastest growing app or platform in the world. Yeah, TikTok pays. It does. This is why I'll be giving you 5 tricks and tips of how to make money with your TikTok account. It's very simple, just that you all don't know about it. First, I'll be talking about is creating a YouTube account. This is very simple. You're wondering how it relates with it. It does very well. Now, once you start building your audience, building your followers, and you keep growing every day, you need to create a YouTube account. Once you create a YouTube account, there is a space or where you edit something on your platform, your app platform, your TikTok platform. There is a place they brought that to add your YouTube account. When you add your YouTube account there, you bring in your followers from TikTok to your YouTube account, making them subscribe to your account. That is, if you have nice content that people are interested in. Now, you do want to tell me that when you create content that people like and then they see your YouTube, they wouldn't want to check your YouTube to check more videos? They will, obviously they will. This is why you need to create nice content, steady content on your TikTok account, which will bring followers from your TikTok account to your YouTube account. And when you get to 1,000 subscribers on YouTube and 4,000 watch hours, they monitors their account, and the money you'll be earning are money that you're making from your TikTok, from the followers you brought from your TikTok to your YouTube account. It's very, very simple. Yeah, it works. So many people are into this, but you don't see them talking about it because they know how much they make from it. Just try this and then see the results for yourself because it works. Yeah, it does. The next I'll be going into is promoting partnerships. Brands are looking for influencers to pay, and then they influence their business, they market their businesses for them. When they see growing accounts, they see people with strong audience, that trust them or followers that trust them, they end up paying them to market their products. But they don't just look for you like that. You can just stay on your own, look for your best brands, market it yourself, and then at the end of the day, if that video actually went viral, if it had the audience it needs to have, and the brand sees it, they will pay you for it. And then paying you, they won't pay a small amount of money, they will pay you a huge amount of money. So many people are making money from this. TikTok, you don't just go to TikTok to make videos and post. People are making money from TikTok every day. They are collecting money from TikTok through so many ways which you don't even know. So pay attention to me while I list them out for you. So guys, if this is your first time coming across my channel, do well to subscribe and click on the notification bell to get notified or get updated each time I drop a better content or a new content like this. And to my Facebook fans, please do well to like my page and then share to other audience to communicate with us, share to other audience to earn from this, share to other audience to make money. The next I'll be going into is growing and selling your TikTok accounts. Many brands want to access new audience in order to market their products. So what they do is look for content creators, look for people who want to sell their TikTok accounts that has much audience in it. Which is the reason why if you want to open a TikTok account, you should participate, you should engage on a particular niche in order to make your videos go viral. Because when you keep confusing TikTok, posting this today, posting that today, your videos won't be able to be growing. So what you need to do is participate or use a particular niche, study your audience, use that particular niche, post videos about it, which will be making your account grow. Then when brands see this, when brands see this particular account, they pick interest in this account and they will want to buy it in order to establish their products, in order to get more audience to see their products. So guys, if you want to participate in growing and selling your account, I advise that you pick up your niche, your best niche. and then do well, post about it almost every time, post about it always to get more audience on TikTok. Hope you know that TikTok is one of the fastest way to grow your videos. Most times you post a video, go to do something, and then come back, you see that video is already having 100 views, thousands of views, millions of views, where you're not even yet a celebrity, which is why TikTok is a very, very nice app to grow your video or to earn money. The next I'll be going into is donation and gifting. Once you get up to 1k followers on TikTok, you'll be able to go live. Now, when you go live, people will get to gift you. Most times you don't get gifts until you ask, until you seek. You'll be like, hey there, please send me gifts. I'm live. This is my first time coming live. I need gifts. When you tell people about it, they get to gift you. When people pick interest in you, they gift you, they donate. That's the donation. That gifting is the donation. They just do it willingly. They gift you willingly. Then another one is when you keep dropping videos. When you keep dropping classic videos, high quality videos, you see that once you drop this video, people will gift you. Once you drop this video, people will gift you. You don't just come out and then sit down and then do anyhow video and expect someone to gift you on TikTok. No, do quality videos on TikTok, post them, quality content on TikTok that can make people gift you. When they gift you, you make your money from this. Those gifts, they turn to coins, they turn to dollars. You make your money. TikTok pays a lot though. Don't go there and be doing anyhow on TikTok, thinking that TikTok just come and post video, dance. No, go live. I think there is this other new means to earn money on TikTok. Even if you're not up to 1k, when you go under people's live, there is this treasure box that once you click on the box, when you do, you get your own coin from it. There are so many means to make money on TikTok. Don't go there and while away your time doing other things on TikTok. Make your money on TikTok. Cash out money on TikTok. TikTok is a platform. It doesn't just eat your data or finish your data. It pays a lot. The next I'll be talking about is getting paid by TikTok. Yes, TikTok pays, which is the reason why so many people have been seated listening to me all this while to know if TikTok pays. In July 2020, TikTok launched a creator fund, $200 million creator fund, in order to encourage users in this platform. You can come, create your content, unique content, standard content, and then get paid on TikTok. If you want to apply for this creator fund, you need to reach some certain requirements, which I'll be talking about now. The requirements here is you must be up to 18 years and above. You must be a professional on TikTok. Professional I mean here is creating standard and unique contents, standard high quality videos. Posting often on TikTok makes you a professional on TikTok. You must be up to 10,000 followers. Yeah, you must have up to 10,000 followers. You must make 100 videos, 100 unique videos before the 30 days you want to apply for this creator fund. And the most importantly, you must be in these countries I'll be mentioning now, which is UK, Spain, France, and Germany. If you're a Nigerian, do not be discouraged. If you're an African, do not be discouraged, because I know that soon they will start paying Nigerians. Very, very soon. Just keep posting, keep creating your content, unique content, standard content. Keep being a professional on TikTok, and very soon TikTok will start paying you. Do well to note all these things I've said so far. Please, if you have a question, do well to drop your question in the comment section. And if you want to send us a message, do well to send us a message on Facebook at Busy Making Money. Send us a message there, or you send us a message on our email link. Check the description below to send us a message. Please, if anyone is texting you with a WhatsApp number to bring so amount in order for he or she to teach you this, please, they are scammers. We do not have a WhatsApp number. We do not have a WhatsApp platform for this. They are scammers. Anything we do here is free of charge. Do well not to be scammed. We do not have WhatsApp numbers. Thank you. Please do well to subscribe to my channel. Click on the notification bell to be updated each time I drop a better content. Please, if you're watching from Facebook, do well to like my Facebook page, share it to reach more audience.